In this video, we will look at how to push the code from your local machine to the server. In Git, there are two operations involved to move your code from the local to the server: commit and push. Commit is a command which is used to save the changes that you have done in your local repository. Push is the operation where multiple commits are moved to the server as one single operation. Now, let's say you have cloned a branch feature 1 from the server to a local machine. During your feature development, you do multiple commits to save your local changes on a day-to-day basis. Once the feature is complete, you move all your commits together to the server using the push command. The command to commit a change is git commit followed by the commit message, and to push, the command is git push. Now let's look at commit and push from the command line. So in the previous video, we had the develop branch which had some additional files like sample file and sample file 2, which doesn't make sense in a .NET code. So let's commit the changes required to delete these files from the local server to the server from local system to the server. So now currently we have checked out the develop branch from the server. So what I would do is right click and delete the file. I'll say move to bin, which basically indicates the file has been deleted. So in order to commit this change into the code, I will say git add dot, which indicates that all the changes that have been done currently in the repository to be included in the commit. So once the files are added, I can say git commit and give a message, say deleted sample file. And now it says one file change has been pushed to the local repository. Now let me go back and delete the sample2 file from the server, from the local system. Move to bin. Now again I'll do git add and dot to include all the changes done so far into that new commit. Now I will again say git commit and m, give a message, second commit. Now there are two changes that we have done about deleting two files and two different commits for each of the file. Now if I run say git status, it would give the list of changes that were done locally and which are not yet pushed to the server. You can see here it says you have two commits which are yet to be pushed to the server, while there are no new changes done on the local folder. So in order to push the changes, and at this point if you notice your server branch still doesn't reflect the deleted files. So in order to push these changes, I'll say git push command. So it basically pushes all the changes from the local folder to the server, and if you refresh the page, you will see the two files are deleted and it is in sync with the folders which are there on the local server. So this is a git commit and git push, and for pushing your local changes to the server.